See, when you are a homeowner, you become a cook, housekeeper, or a maid. Maybe electrician, just don't get electrocuted. A gardener, a babysitter maybe. And the next thing is also you become a plumber. Look at me, I'm gonna change all this stuff because it's broken. Interesting. I've done this before, but not with one hand though. Okay, hold on. You unscrew this thing here, okay? And this one I just put a rubber band temporarily, but I'm gonna take that off. There you are, it's broken. There. Go to the sink. Then I have to remove this one here. There. Put this stuff here. Oh my god! I got a big one. I thought it's a one size fits all. It's a small one. Okay, 1 second. Alright. It took me a while to figure this other one here. I was able to place it, but the problem is now this thing is big, so I have to replace it with a smaller version of this plungy thing, cover thing, whatever that is. It has to be that small. So now I'm gonna try to change the toilet fill valve seal. It's supposed to be here. Let me see how I can open this, okay? So I was able to move this top part. Now I remember I have to twist it. Twist it how? I remember from the guy. Pull it up and twist it. Let me just pause you, okay? Able to open it, and that's the one I'm gonna replace. That one. That's the new one. Now, after I place the valve there, the rubber thingy, I'm flushing this section here to kind of cleanse the little hole there. That's what they said in YouTube. Okay, that's done. Now I'm gonna close it. Okay, that's closed. And they said to pat it dry to remove more gunk if there's anything there. Well, I guess that's clean. Now I have to put the thing back. Okay, now it's back. And I have to snap this thing here. If I can. Okay. That's done. Now I just have to replace that one. Maybe temporarily I'm gonna put the old one back. I need to use the toilet though, right? So that is the old one. Maybe I should rinse this one first. Kinda slimy. Okay. Then here. Okay, what's for now? Let me hook it back, and I'll just have to go to the store and get the new whatever this thing here that seals the hole. And then this one here, let me remove this. old stuff. 1 second. So what I did, I put it back. Or maybe I don't have to buy a new one. I don't know. And then, so now it's connected to this. So like that. Right? Okay. Now I'm gonna go turn the water on right here. I have that problem, but I just have to figure out how to do it. But right now I'm just gonna change this thing here and that. And whatever that sound is, let me know what that is so I can fix it. But for now, that is my toilet. Bye.